All right, folks, let's do this. Let's check out the top 5 ways that teachers are using the Wayground Chrome extension in their classrooms. And so hopefully you can see what it does and see how easy it is, so you can do some of this magic in your classroom. Are you ready? All right, let's do it. Number 5 is ChatGPT. And so look, if you haven't seen this yet, it is insane. So what you do is you go to ChatGPT, you make a quiz like normal, and then what happens, right? You copy paste it somewhere, or you don't do anything with it. And look, there is quite literally a button now in ChatGPT that says create an activity. That's right, if you have the Chrome extension installed, it'll just do it for you. And so you just go there, hit assessment, and as you can imagine, it's just going to take your ChatGPT extensions and turn it right into something that is interactive for your students, differentiated for your students, all the things that's amazing about Wayground. Number 4 is turning a Google slide into something more interactive. Again, the button is right there for you. So watch, you have a Google slide, which I'm sure you use all the time to teach your students. Just simply hit basically go, go, go. And what it's going to do is going to take your Google slides, and you watch, this is real time, no cutting. It's going to take your Google slides, it's going to bring them into Wayground. Let's see how it's doing here. And it's going to then import, here we go. Ooh, interrupted myself. Look, it brought my slides into Wayground with a click of a button. It's now going to read my slides. It's then going to figure out what questions would be wonderful to put in between your slides for your students to actually answer as you go along the lesson. And it's going to put them all there for you. And then of course you can edit, change, modify, all the things, right? And look, there it is. Look, it just made a whole bunch of questions that go along with my lesson. I don't know if I want 25, so I might get rid of a couple of them. And then that's it. You hit publish. And just like literally like that, no cutting, I went from a Google slide presentation, clicked a button, and now I have this interactive presentation with the exact same slideshow, but for my students to answer questions along the way. Number 3 is using it in Google Docs. And so this is actually one of the primary use cases, is using your lesson plans. So once again, the button is right there for you. So if you have a lesson plan or some sort of other resource, you can just hit create activity. And these are the 2 most common. Let's say you have this activity, you want to make an assessment, or flashcards that go directly along with that activity. Again, it'll read it for you, bring them into Wayground, and make them insanely interactive for your students. Good. Look at that, look how quick that is. And now you just have flashcards for your lesson plans. Cool. View on Wayground. And there we go. And assign it to your students for homework as they practice the parts and learnings about a cloud. So easy. Now number 2 and number 1 are both on YouTube, so I'm going to combine them both together here. Number 2, again, the button is right there, is just that watching a YouTube video, oftentimes we want students to practice and understand the concepts. So the number 2 use case is clicking the button and then hitting assessment. And so what that does is it basically is going to read the transcript, figure out all the most important facts, and then give you an assessment that you can give to your students to do right after the video or for homework. And look at that, again, real time. I'm not cutting. It is just like that, insanely fast. And there we go. You can now assign it to your students or have them practice right there. So you can do this on the fly if you ever need to. YouTube 2 assessments. And the number 1 most popular use case for the Wayground extension is once again clicking this button, but instead of turning it into an assessment, is turning it into an interactive video. So if you've never seen that, what that means is it allows you to give your students the same video, but along the way, questions pop up. Look at that. It read the transcript, figure out what it is, and let me just show you. That'll be easier. Again, so fast, real time here. And so it's the same video you're going to show, but now along the way, there are questions that will pop up. So when your students actually see it, it looks something like this, where they will be able to answer the questions, and you as a teacher will be able to figure out exactly what they understood and did not understand in the video.
Hi, I'm John Green.
Sorry, tough start there. And the questions will pop up. And so this is great for sub work, this is great for homework, this is great for in-class, all the different reasons. And those are the top 5 use cases just right now. And so hopefully you see them. Hopefully you're like, oh my gosh, I want to do all of them. And so there's 2 ways that you can get it on your computer. 1, simply go to Google and search for Wayground Chrome extension. It'll be the first thing that pops up, add it to your Chrome, call it a day. And the second way you can hopefully get it is just ask someone at your district to put them on the computers. So then you and your other coworkers can also have this button along with you whenever you need it. It's amazing, it's helpful, it's free. It is such an amazing extension, and I hope that you enjoy it as much as I enjoy it.